This is solar pipe driver. Already delivered to Australia. The solar pipe driver post length is more than 5 meters. It can piling max length is 5 meters, and drilling max depth is 5 meters too. You can see the solar pipe driver appearance and performance is so perfect. If you have solar project, or if you are interested in the solar pipe driver, you can call me or at my WhatsApp. My mobile phone number is 81585200792. If you are interested in the solar pipe driver, please directly call me ASAP. I will show you the solar pipe driver details and others you need. You can see the details is so perfect. Very perfect.